Hello, welcome back to my channel. So this time we are painting a sea turtle. Here I am using cobalt blue mixed with white, and then I am adding some teal blue to my canvas. I have used cobalt blue again here, this time a little darker. To show some reflection and waves at the top, I am using white and light blue. Here I made a rough sketch of the turtle with pencil, and then I am directly using my brush with white paint to make an outline for my turtle. I am going to fill this entire turtle with white paint so that the colors later on the turtle will look nice and bright. I have used brown on the shell of the turtle, and to give the darker tones on the shell I am using burnt umber. That's the darker shade of brown. Here I have mixed some white in the burnt umber for the front flapper of the turtle. Here I am using lemon yellow mixed with white. To show the texture on the shell of the turtle, I am using lemon yellow and orange. For the texture on the flappers and on the face, I am using black. I am using ultramarine blue to add some texture at the bottom of the sea. To add more depth, I am applying black on top of it. I am I'm adding a coral here with white paint. I have used a hog hair brush here and some pink and green paint to add more texture for corals. I'm using ultramarine blue to show these small fish in the background. Thank you so much for watching. Do let me know what you think about this painting in the comments below. I'll see you soon.